everyone, my name is Disha Mehta, a legal intern at LEXIS and Company and a law student at Gujarat University. And as we were talking about in the previous video, we had already discussed about the midterm dividend. And in this video, we are going to continue the same and talk about the second type of dividend, which is the final dividend. So let us start. So first of all, what do you mean by the term final dividend? So the dividend declared at the end of the financial year is called the final dividend or last dividend. At the end of the financial year, annual accounts of the companies are prepared and the net profit is found and decision of declaring final dividend is taken. The board of directors have the authority to recommend the final dividend, and on the basis of such recommendation, the general meeting has the authority to declare the final dividend. It is essential to understand the authority of the board of directors and the authority of general meeting for the same, whether to declare the dividend or not, and if yes, then how much dividend to be declared. The board of directors have this much authority like midterm dividend, but they do not have the authority to declare the final dividend. While the general meeting has authority to declare, that means to sanction the dividend on the basis of recommendation given from the board of directors, keeping in the limits of the dividend recommended by the board of directors. The general meeting cannot declare more dividend than recommended by the board of directors. The shareholders cannot compel to distribute dividend at higher rate than what was recommended by the board of directors. In the case of Bond versus Barrow Hematite Steel Company Limited, Justice Farrell stated that profit which was determined to be fixed, the court cannot compel to distribute more profit as dividend. Similarly, in the case of Berland versus Earl, the justice had said that the directors have the authority to carry forward the current year's certain part of profit to the next year. The directors cannot be compelled to distribute the complete profit as dividend. When the final dividend is declared in the annual general meeting, it becomes the debt of the company. Like the midterm dividend, it cannot be withdrawn, or for that matter, once distributed, it cannot be called back. After 6 years, such dividend will be beyond the time limit. That means the shareholders have right to get the dividend within 6 years. In the case of Venkat Gurunath versus Tripura Sundari Cotton Press, and in the case of Lalita versus Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited, as mentioned, claim cannot be filed after 6 years for getting the dividend. So this was the topic of final dividend. Hope you like it, and if you have any doubt regarding this topic or any other previous topics, then please feel free to write down in the comment section below and we would be happy to solve all your doubts. Thank you.